Are you considering buying a home? Did you know that your closing costs can quickly add up to 2 to 5% of your total home purchase price? But don't let these expenses catch you off guard. It's important to be aware of the fees and other costs associated with buying a home. But the good news is that you don't always have to pay the sticker price. You can shop around and negotiate for lower fees with your lender, which can save you a lot of money on your home purchase. First, do your research. Compare the fees from different lenders throughout the process. Look at the loan estimate provided by each lender and compare the cost of the loan, such as your origination fees, your application fees, appraisal fees. Once you've compared the fees, don't be afraid to negotiate with your lender. Ask if they can lower the fees or waive certain costs. They may be willing to work with you to keep your business. So if you're looking to buy a home, make sure you're aware of the closing costs and take the time to shop around and negotiate with your lender. By doing so, you can save money and make your dream of owning a home a reality. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Until next time, peace.